Hello everyone, I am Adheshu and in this video I will explain the JavaScript concepts with clear examples and now we will, we will discuss about what is JavaScript. JavaScript is a powerful flexible programming language primarily used to make websites interactive and dynamic. And now we are discussing about the JavaScript concept called variables, conditional statements, arrays, loops, and functions. Now, first we discuss about variables. Variables are fundamental concepts in JavaScript which are used for storing the values. Generally, variables used to store the data. So, in this JavaScript course, we mainly use let, constant, and var. These are the three keywords or these are the three data types which are used to declare or initialize the variables. And first of all, you see the example let. Let is a variable. Means let is a data type which is used to declare the name variable. And the name in that name we initialize the value. That's like we also initialize or declare the variables using these keywords like let, constant, and var. Now we will discuss about conditional statements. In these conditional statements, we have if, else, and switch cases. Like other programming language in JavaScript, we are also having if else ladder, nested if else, and also like that. So we have if else and switch cases or conditional statements are used in JavaScript. And now we are going through arrays. Here in arrays, this is the syntax for initializing the values inside an array. This is the array name. Fruits is the array name in this example, and let is used to declare the variable. Sorry for the disturbance. And after that, dot push. This is used to add an item inside an array. And after we want to retrieve the items which are presented in an array. So we use console.log of array name and within the square braces we want to write the index position of an array items. This is the way to retrieve the items which are presented inside an array. After that we are going through loops. Loops. Generally we use for each loops in JavaScript. This is the syntax of for loop. In for loop, first for bracket, and after that we need to initialize the value and up and semicolon, and next we write the condition and semicolon. We write increment or decrement condition, and within this parenthesis, sorry, within the curly braces, we write the logic of code which you want to write, and this is the syntax of for each loop. After that, we are going through functions. Functions are the most important topics in JavaScript. Functions are usable blocks of logic function. Greet in this example, we use greet of name. Return hello dollar of name means when we pass an parameter into this function, it takes that name into this return statement. This is the syntax, or this is the logic we are writing inside the function. That's like we are going through these functions and objects. Objects are also most important concepts in JavaScript, and objects store key value pairs and methods. So let's dive into it. Here, let first we create an object called person. Person equal to name, age, greet. Inside an object, we write a function. So in this function, it gives the output which was written into this block of code, and we call the object with the person variable name dot function name. or object name. This is greet is an object and function is a function name. So if you want an output which was right inside the code, so this is the syntax of retrieving the output. What is the syntax? Person means variable name dot greet means object name and within the parentheses. If you want to retrieve any data which was passed by you, then we give pass the parameter within the curly braces. After that, we are going through Node.js. What is Node.js? Node.js is a runtime to execute JavaScript outside the browser. And what is Node.js means? Node.js is a runtime to execute JavaScript outside the browser. So, uh, uh, how to install Node.js? If you want to install the Node.js, go to the browser and type node.js into the browser and click the Node.js official website and click the download for Windows or Ubuntu or macOS, whatever you want. And after that, when you install the Node.js packages, we need to install the libraries and packages which are included in Node.js Node.js. So if you want to install the libraries, then the command for installing the libraries is npm install package name. This is the syntax which was used to install the packages in Node.js. After that, we use callback functions. Callback functions are the functions which are used for Node.js perspective and how to installing packages in Node.js. So this is the syntax npm install. Instead of axioms, we use package name. Instead of axioms, we use package name. Whatever the package you want, you need to write the package name and then install. This is the concepts we have covered in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.